What's going on? YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I am excited to announce on a random Monday that I have hit my goal of 50 patrons. If you've been subscribed to me and watching my videos, you'll know that I set 2 new goals after I gave away the Slim Midi Marauder. Once I hit 50 patrons, I was going to open up a giveaway for this amazing little knife. This is the USA-made blade exclusive Red G10 Southern Grind Spider Monkey. These are amazing knives. I have a review on this if you want to check that out. And they're available currently at USA Made Blade, but I said that as soon as I hit 50 patrons, I was going to open up a giveaway in the exact same light as the Slim Midi Marauder, meaning everybody can enter. You don't have to be a patron. You don't even have to be subscribed to me. You just need to be watching. So we're going to do that today. And then also, once I hit 60 patrons, I'm going to be doing doing a giveaway for the ProTech Mordax, the button lock flipper. This is an awesome knife as well. Also the same price. Both of these are $200 or about $200 knives. So really excited to do that. If you are interested in becoming a patron and helping me reach this goal, you can follow the link in the description to my Patreon. Have a look around, and then you can join whatever tier you want. They all count. So I'm really excited. Thank you so much to all of my patrons, everybody who joined. This is amazing. I'm glad you guys, like doing this because I love giving away knives. If you are new to my channel, I upload daily content. I upload knife reviews and overviews. I upload discussion topics. I like to do unboxings. I like to do top 10 stuff. I like to do my Knife Guy series on Sundays. There's a lot going on this channel. I suggest that you kind of check it out. I've got a lot of videos up, but there's a little something for everybody on this channel. I like to do budget knives, and I like to do high-end custom knives, whole bunch of stuff. But I love giving stuff away. I really enjoy giving stuff away. So, like I said, this is going to be a free-to-enter giveaway for everybody, as is the case with all of my giveaways, and that'll always be the case. I want everybody to have a chance, whether you're a patron or not. So, to enter to win for this knife, all I want you guys to do is, in the comments section, let me know what your current favorite deployment mechanism is. Is it a flipper tab? Is it a thumb hole? Is it a thumb stud, a thumb disc? Is it an Emerson Wave? Do you like automatic knives, lever-lettos, things like that? Let me know. I'd be interested to know. I will be doing the drawing for this knife on Saturday. Now, I've got a crazy weekend. Kansas was hit multiple times we literally had 2 separate storms with 80 to 100 mile an hour wind. I have a lot to do this weekend as far as cleaning up my property. So it's going to be busy, but I'm not going to let that interrupt the regular stream of content. So just for full disclosure, I am actually going to be drawing the winner late Friday night, but I will be uploading that video on Saturday. So if you're gonna vote, if you're gonna enter this contest, enter it before Friday. Just to be safe, get your comment in there before Friday. No duplicates, please. We have a new system. I've got a new system that I'm going to be using. Thank you, Shaker MT or Harry, in the comment section for suggesting this new system. But I'm excited about it. So, like I said, get it in, get your comment in before Friday to make sure that you're in. I'll be drawing or uploading the video with the winner on Saturday. You must be at least 18 years of age to enter this contest. Like I said, no purchase necessary. You also need to be able to provide me with an address inside the continental United States. If you have a friend or a family member or somebody within the knife community that you trust, let me emphasize that you really trust, then you can provide me with their shipping address as long as they know, of course, and I can ship it to them first and then they can ship it to you. I'm not so much concerned with international shipping costs. I'm concerned with the knife actually getting there, because any insurance that I can add to a package doesn't mean anything once it leaves the United States. So the person who won could potentially end up empty-handed, and I do not want that to happen. So this is the only way that I can really make sure that the winner actually does get the knife. That's very important to me. So I am sorry that creates kind of a hassle for my international viewers, but just want to play it safe. So anyways, remember guys, there's always going to be a new goal. So if you want to assist me in reaching that goal, just follow the link in my description to my Patreon. I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited that everybody is willing to help me grow my channel, and I want to be able to constantly give back to you guys in the form of really cool knives. So there's some new amazing giveaway knives coming beyond these two. I will be doing a video talking about that in the very near future, as well as some exciting new stuff as far as my Patreon tiers go. As a reminder, stickers are still available for purchase. If you'd like to, I've lowered the price just a little bit. If you'd like to purchase a sticker, they are $3. If you want to buy multiple, I can cut you a deal. Just email me at metalcomplex87@gmail.com. That's going to be pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.